Hey professor. What now, knucklehead? You said the lions are polygamists. How about you elephants? No, knucklehead, we elephants only have one wife. Why is that professor? Is it because of the high cost of food? I imagine your wife eats pretty much all the time to maintain that bulky look that you seem to like so much. Yes, but it is also because we elephants are very special. The elite among us go to America, where we are fed peanuts, the highest of compliments. Peanuts? Yes. America's most favorite president, Jimmy Carter, even kept a quite large peanut plantation, to exclusively grow peanuts for the elite elephants in the American circus. But aren't peanuts commonly found in baseball games? Yes, knucklehead, the baseball stadium is the main religion of America. The peanuts are literally the nuts of God. Didn't President Jimmy Carter have a brother? Yes, knucklehead, his name was Billy. He was also a big shot in the baseball religion. He produced a product that is as much loved in the stadium as peanuts. What was that, Professor? Beer. It is proof that both Jimmy and his brother are deeply religious. And I take it loved elephants. Yes. We got peanuts regularly. But they only gave us beer once. Why, what happened? I'd rather not go into that. I'm still picking squishy stuff from between my toes.